welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie Henshaw. If you're new here, then welcome. It's lovely to meet you. And if you're already existing, then hi guys, welcome back. So I'm a scruffy little bunny today. Let's just let that get said. I did have fake tan on. I've been washing the paint off my hands so much this week, but look how white my hands are compared to my arms. I've got no makeup on, and I've got piles of laundry and ironing to do because it's washing day, it's like cleaning day. But like I promised, I'm going to do a little like bedroom update for Millie's bedroom. All like this in my hands. So without further ado, let's go in there. Oh, there's literally just piles of stuff everywhere. Trying to get it all clean and tidy. Managed to do the bathroom and all the tidying up, but I literally am doing the washing and the ironing, so I'm a bit out of breath again. Oh, deep breaths. So this is Millie's bedroom. So as we first go into Millie's bedroom, there's her little roof that I made on the roof tutorial. So this cost £5 by using a steering wheel cover wrapped in jute, sticking on flowers. And she had little M already hanging on her door. And I just think that looks really, really cute together. And look, he just follows me wherever I am. He's been digging muddy puddles in the garden because it was raining earlier. So in Millie's room, as soon as you come in, not a lot looks much different. Now, when we was up doing the house, we said we don't have the money to be buying brand new furniture in all of the rooms, like absolutely new beds, new wardrobes, new everything. So we literally wrote a little list, decided what was key that we needed, what could we upcycle and what could we just clean up and make it look better. So just to do everything on a budget really. So Millie already had this wardrobe in her room, but it had got a bit scruffy, so I give it a little light sand, repainted it in, I think it's called Dusky Rose by B&Q. So I've done that again, and then rather than the white painted handles that she had on her door handles already, I bought these lovely little ceramic ones. See what I mean about my hands? Little ceramic ones, because then they're just wipeable. They weren't leaving no marks and stuff on them. So you get a pack of 6 for £3 from the range. I also got this cute little bunny. How cute is that, from TK Maxx? I had to get that. It's from the Easter section. Dusted off all her flowers and put them back up. Washed all her netting on her beds and her bunting, made it just feel a little bit fresher in here. And bought a couple new cushions and bought this lovely little bedspread. So Millie's bedspread that she had before had a little bit of a tube by Bertie. None other than you. Hey Bertie boy. His little tail's wagging. So I got this one from TK Maxx. If you're still online, I will link this below if you haven't seen this in my haul. But it's so cute. It's got these little tiny tufts and it's like a creasy sort of linen look. So very shabby chic. Looks a little bit like the Cabbages and Roses ones, which is just lovely. And as I said, we didn't repaint the walls. I didn't really need it. The one thing that does need repainting is the radiator, which I've got to do, but I run out of silk paint because I was doing downstairs in the dining room at the same sort of time. So I need to do the skirtings in here and the radiator. And then once the radiator's done, I've got a little radiator cover that I'm going to put on front that's been delivered over the top of that, little white one. And she's also got one of those £5 gold B&M mirrors going up, but it needs a hook to hang it up because it's got a loop catch. So that will go above there. I'm going to sit down on a little chair, take advantage, why not? So her little bedside table, this is actually from the end of the road. Now at the end of the road we've got like a row of shops, and above there are flats. Now this was being emptied out, one of the flats, and it had a little sign on it saying free to take. So he double checked it was okay and they said yes. I'm going to link my Instagram below because I've actually got the pictures of before. So it had a gold sort of handle, battered up old dark wood. So I sanded it all down, painted it in the same colour as the wardrobe. I've put a little porcelain knob on as well. And I spray painted the inside of the drawers like in a mint green, just for a contrast. I thought it looked really cute. Not that it makes much difference because look at the state of this drawer. Like the most random things little girls have, like it's just unbelievable. But believe it or not, that was cleared out last week, but she's just literally the messiest child I've ever met in my life. So in here she's got a little tablet and she's got like some DVDs up there, some little Russian dolls from Mongolia a few years ago. And her little desk thing. Now this actually is empty, she's got nothing in there. So I said to her perhaps she can keep special items and stuff in it. When I showed it on my YouTube channel before, I didn't actually notice the dent until after someone mentioned it. I'd already taken the stickers off it, so I'm still yet to do that trick. So apparently if you pour boiling hot water on it and then try and bang the dent out, it'll come out. And so I'll try and link that as well if that's in there. But that's just really cute with her little like Home Bargains unicorns on the top. And then as we come back round, the moment of truth, this is actually what I was going to show, is her IKEA desk. Now, I know everything's kind of like shabby chic and upcycled in here, but I just thought she really needed a desk for her homework, and she just absolutely loves to draw. But I was finding it really hard to get like an old-fashioned sort of pine one that I could paint up to fit in that space. So it's more practical than anything. And then she's got a little drawer, which is yet again full of like, look at that, she's been making handmade squishes. Is that even possible? She's like the cutest little drawer ever. And some books. What's she reading at the minute? The Mystery Burnt Cottage and David Williams one, I think. So, and under her desk as well, I've just got like a little pink basket, and I got that from Home Bargains, and that's her waste paper basket, so I'll take that downstairs and recycle it. So as you can see, she's got a little dink in her skirting, so I've got to redo all the skirtings in here, so please ignore those. But the desk, I've done that so you can see like the metal side and the wooden side. So the desk actually costs £40 from IKEA, and it's really, really practical, really easy to put up, and it's a really lovely space-saving one if you've got a really small bedroom. And yeah, so I really like that, and for £40 I thought that was quite good. Also, I got her chair. Now, we did buy a chair from TK Maxx, and it was pink, blush pink, and it had like the gold swivel legs on it. Absolutely beautiful, but I'm not joking now. It didn't even tuck under the desk because it had armrests, and it come out from further than the door. It was just so big. It was more like an armchair on swivels, so it had to go back. We couldn't have it, which was really disappointing, as I thought it would have just added a little bit something lovely. But she does need it to be tucked under and sort of out the space, so she's still got a little bit of room in here as well. So this chair was actually £35 from IKEA as well. I was going to say TK Maxx again. But what I love about this is it's wipeable because it's plastic, so yet again with the fabric it might have got a little bit scruffy. And I love that it's got the white feet on it. Now, a lot of these have like black caster wheels or black legs, and it would have just stuck out. So the fact that it's white and goes with like the white accessories and stuff in the room, I think is really, really nice. And I like that it doesn't have wheels. You can choose to have wheels or not. Now, because obviously, look, the stairs are like there, I was a bit worried that if she did sort of decide to be stupid and sort of wheel out, she could go downstairs and get herself into some trouble, like really hurt herself. So I'm glad that's not got no wheels on it. So as for storage in Millie's bedroom, in her wardrobe, now they go to school all week, they do have some like clothes and stuff, and I do seasonally, so I've got some boxes up in the loft that are like seasonal clothes if they're bigger. But these are all like the kind of wintry ones that she's got in here, some onesies and stuff, just comfies there, and some clothes. And the bottom part of this wardrobe is set out exactly the same, but she's got one drawer for underwear in there, like a little pink box from Asda. And then underneath she's got her school uniform, which obviously I won't show because otherwise you'll be able to see the logos and stuff, which I understand. I hope you'll understand because of safety reasons. And then she's got a few of these boxes under her bed. Now the pink ones are from Asda. She originally had these ones, but I couldn't get no more of them. They run out. So in Home Bargains, these are the same as the ones the boys have got, and they had little unicorn stickers on the side of them, which you can just remove. So these are £3.49. She's still got a few little toys and stuff under here. But all of her boxes, let's get it out and you can have a little look. Be prepared for the mess. So she's just got like handbags, bows, and then in this one she's got like little knickknacks and stuff in there. So I do try and keep it organised, but she is a little girl. She comes up in her room and just is like, yeah, Mum, I'm doing that, that's it. And she's got a few sketchbooks and stuff. They're all full of like, one's for beauty, one's for like accessories, one's for drawing items, and then the other one's for a few little nicky-nacky toys. She got like makeup at Christmas time. Let me just get this out. So like, look, makeup and goodness knows what little girls like. Honestly, I don't know where she got half of these things. I don't buy her face makeup, but her little friend does. And Gary's nan did as well. So I was like, you're not wearing that. That's just literally like making fake tattoos or something. So this is Millie's room. I hope I haven't missed anything out, but a lot of it was in the home tour before. But if you want to know where anything is, I'll obviously explain. I'll answer back any questions and stuff if you want to know where things are from. But I will link anything that's still available in the shops. The desk and the chair definitely will be, so I'll link those. Oh, and also I didn't say on her desk, so we just got a little makeup bag from Primark for £2. Works perfect for loads and loads of pencils. And these little pots, they're little, oh, I'm showing you the wall. These little pots are little plant pots from B&M, so they're £1 each, and they're perfect for little pens and pencils. She's got a couple of little books on there. This one's from TK Maxx. How cute is this? And it sort of expresses how you're feeling for the day, and you spin it round. Thought that was really cute. £2.99. And then a little Home Bargains one. And then just like a little DIY candly one. There with little candle. She won't like that, obviously. That's just for like show. She got a few crystals when she went to a museum the other day, which was really cute. I was like, oh, she's turning into a teenager collecting little crystals and stuff. And then also her lamp. Now this was from Home Bargains as well, but it come in like a rose pink velvet on the shade. It was lovely. But when I put it in her room, it became quite apparent it was more reddy looking than it was like a browny red, greeny. What am I saying, greeny now, pinky. So I got a Calf Kits tea towel, measured out the length of the actual lampshade and the width, cut out some fabric, leaving a 2 cm gap extra, folded it over, hot glue gunned it on, made sure it was all nice and tight, and I just think that looks so much nicer now, and it really, really matches. Also, I'm going to bring up the subject, because obviously she's got the TV in her room, and you just see the DVDs in her little bedside table. The last time I'd done a home tour and I showed Millie's bedroom, I had a few people comment on how terrible it is that she has a TV in her room. Now, this isn't connected to Sky, Netflix, it isn't even a smart TV, so she couldn't even watch channels 1 to 5 if that even existed anymore. It's a DVD outlet, so a DVD at the side. So she won't be able to watch this during the week. This is more like on a Friday or a Saturday night if she wants to come watch a little movie in bed. This isn't past bedtime. This is, of course, like if she just wants a little bit of space in her room to do some drawing up the table and put like maybe Freaky Friday or something on. And, you know, just one of her kids' films on Minions, just so she's got her own little space, because she's 8 now. She likes her own little space. And sometimes she doesn't want to mingle with her brothers. And 9 times out of 10, it's me and her laying on her bed, like I said, watching Freaky Friday. So she has a couple of DVDs up here that she changes from downstairs. What's that doing? Bertie, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you playing with? What are you playing with? Yeah. So this is her room, and yeah, I will show you the rug. I did say when I showed you Millie's room, I'll show you the rug in the playroom and show you a few updates in there. But it's impossible to show you that without showing you the new dining room stuff that's been done. So that will be up this week as well. I'll be uploading that. And obviously be showing you the DIY panelling, which I've done. Oh, goodness me. Harder than I thought it was going to be. And I've also got my try on this week. And I've got an Easter craft coming up as well, which I'm really looking forward to doing. But it just follows me everywhere. So take care. Have a lovely rest of your week. I've been Rosie Henshaw. Bye.